So delicious, crunchy, sweet, sugary, caramelized glaze, fried banana egg roll.
Maayong adlaw kaniyong tanan. Today I'm going to make a delicious and super easy to make Filipino dessert made of banana, or we call it saging in the Philippines. So here's how to make the Filipino dessert I'm talking about, which is Turon. Okay, so let's get started with peeling the bananas first. I use this regular type of bananas here that we have because it's readily available. But back home, we normally use a plantain, probably right out of the tree. When we're done peeling the bananas,
we can now cut it so it's easy to wrap it in the lumpia wrapper or egg roll wrapper.
when we're done cutting, we'll wrap our bananas.
To wrap the bananas, we need egg roll wrapper and 1 egg. First, we'll crack the egg and beat it. We need 1 beaten egg so we can seal the Turon tight and firm. Now that the egg is ready, we'll start wrapping the bananas. Here's the egg roll wrapper. We'll place the banana here and roll it twice and then fold both sides. And roll it again, then put the beaten egg on the edge of the wrapper so we can seal the Turon tight.
So here's our turon. It's nicely wrapped and ready to fry.
In a hot pan filled with oil, we'll fry our turon on medium heat only so it won't burn. We'll fry our turon in batches so it's not too crowded inside the pan. Remember to fry the turon until golden brown and crunchy on both sides. When it's golden brown and crunchy, we'll place our turon in a bowl or plate temporarily. While the oil is still hot, we'll add a half cup of brown sugar and melt it. When the sugar is melted, turn off the heat and put the turon back into the pan, then coat it in the melted sugar. When they're done, place the turon in the strainer to remove the excess oil.
Here's our delicious turon. We made it together, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as we enjoyed making it. Please leave a comment, rate, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.